I have come into this world. I have this Panchabhuta Sharira and Tribhuta Sharira, Sukshma Sharira. To whom all this belongs to? Am I the owner of all this? Am I the owner of this body and the owner of the senses? Am I the owner of myself? To whom do I belong? Oh, we have this body. Whatever strength we have may not be much, but all of this belongs to Sri Rama. And we all belong to Sri Rama. We must use all of this to serve Rama. This is the thinking of a bhakta. This world belongs to the Lord. Ishavasyamidam sarvam. Everything that is there, everything, the Lord is the owner.